So now that the introduction is now completed, let's go and talk about why psychology is important. For me, it's easy. Psychology is in the top of the list of the skill that a trader should have. Some people would say that probably risk management is more important, but let's be honest. Who's the one sitting in the driver's seat? It's your brain, right? So it doesn't come down to the money management, it comes down to your psychology. And this is why number one on the list is psychology, then risk management, and at the end, trading strategy. Oftentimes, people forget that when you trade and you decide to take a buy or sell position, then it's your brain that takes that decision, not your trading strategy. The actual plan and strategy is mechanically architected to tell you if you need to take a buy or sell. But the actual move and that when you decide to take the position, it's your brain. And that's why everything you do in trading is directly related to your psychology. It has nothing to do with risk management or any plan related stuff. It's strictly your brain. And this is why you should be focusing right away with your psychology. So, does it depend on the strategy you use? No. It doesn't matter if you decide to take trades in with support and resistance, if you decide to trade breakout or break and retest strategy, if you want to trade trend line, smart money concept, or even liquidity. All strategies has their own edge in the market. What makes traders successful with their strategies is the one that respect their plan, their risk management, their psychology, that has consistency, that keeps his journal up to date, that puts in hours with backtesting, and that has patience. All this leads up to success. How long will it take to master your psychology? Well, it depends on every single individual. Your role are to understand your weak points, then to focus on them. You need to make sure that you're in the top 1% of people that are able to make the difference between their weak points and their strong points. If, example, you're impatient, you have fear of trading, try to focus on those and have an edge over those fears. Focus on your strong points also. Focus on your patience, your strategy, and your success also. So it's really important to be able to understand your weak points and your strong points and know the difference and work on them. So let's say if you're scared of the money aspect of trading, then in MT4, hide your terminal so you're not going to be able to see how much money the P&L is moving, right? You need to be able to find strategies to dodge those fears. Same way that if, example, passing a challenge stresses you because of time limit, then find a prop firm that has no time limit. All right? We'll discuss about the fears later, but make sure you're able to focus on your strong points and your weak points. The reason why you should be focusing on your psychology right now. It's simple, because your psychology will be the hardest skill to master in your complete trading journey, right? It takes time. Everyone is different. Everyone has a different background. So you need to be able to have patience because you're actually telling your brain to do the opposite of what it's architected for.